gonna talk about?
You wanna talk about them at all?
Yeah, you gonna clue us in about this, or?
This is some stuff I threw together.
Yeah, I know, I know it's your first build in DIY.
No, it's the second.
Second, okay.
So I had a
sorry.
little practice. A Tang & Ban tweeter. This originally I built these, oh God, I don't know, 7-8 years ago with the intention of making a sub, and I finally got around to adding the sub. Originally it was a Tang & Ban woofer in here, polycone Javi. One of them got something in the gap, was rubbing, so luckily the RS-125Ps fit the same frame basically. Wow. So that was the save on that. These are passive between tweeter and mid, and it's active, the sub, into here. Internally, these are being driven by a 50-watt ICE, and it's inside the sub. And then the sub is driven by a 250-watt DSP 8-man.
Sorry, Nick, can you
Oh, I'm sorry.
slide back?
Back in the picture.
Back in the picture.
Photo up time.
Thank you.
They're pretty.